your curling iron horizontal. So I do a mohawk section of curls all the way back, and then I'll do the sides. So I'll just show you how to do that. So I'm using an 1.25" barrel curling iron, and I clamp it in there, and I work from the roots down to the end. Hold it for about 5 seconds, and let it out. And then just kind of let it do its thing for a minute, let it cool. And just go ahead and take sections going all the way back. Whenever you're curling your hair, you want to take sections that are just as wide as your curling iron. So only taking about square inch sections. Keeping your barrel horizontal gives you more volume curls, like that red carpet Hollywood look, more bouncy kind of curls. So that's why I'm keeping it horizontal. And if you keep your barrel vertical, then it will give you more like those smoother beachy wave curls with not as much volume. So horizontal meaning taking sections like this, not like that. So we're doing horizontal today to get that Hollywood va-va-boom look. But I'm not messing with the curls quite yet. Just kind of letting it do its thing. Hang there for a couple minutes while it cools. You'll get your curls will last longer if you let them cool before you start messing with them, running your hands through it, trying to get it into place before it's completely cooled. The best temperature to keep your curling iron or any hot tools is at 350, between 350 and 360. That's gonna get the job done, doing a really nice job of styling and getting your hair to hold the curl without damaging it. Okay, so now you can see I'm just taking sections and starting to work around to the side. I'm also holding the hair at least 90 degrees out from my scalp, and that's going to give me more volume. So again, keep your barrel horizontal. So here, I'll show you how to do it. First, I grip it horizontal so I can tell how the curls are curling away from my head. That's how I like my curls. I feel like it gives a little more volume and it stays out of my face a little bit better when it curls away from my face. So clamp it, and then this tail part comes on the bottom side. And then once I get that set up, then I go back to putting it horizontal. Work my way out to the end. Off to the side. Anything on this side, I like my curls to go away from my face. I'll show you on this piece. Alright, here comes the va-va-boom part. So just kind of fluff it around. You can see really bouncy, voluminous curls. Love it, kind of fun lately. Got this funny little cowlick housing right here, so I'm going to go in, just get that a little bit of a heat treatment out there. So I like how my bangs kind of fluff away from my face. And that's because I took that parting at the very beginning and I curled back and away from it. I really like this I Want Body Texture Spray from 11. You can see there's a little ball in there where it goes. And that's to shake it up because it separates a little bit. Get that strip everywhere. I like to hold my hair up. Get that. I'll shake. Show you behind. Beautiful, bouncy, red carpet curls. A little fancier, want to change up your curls, try this out.